Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is National Investment and Infrastructure Fund. It is India's first sovereign wealth fund. It was set up in 2015 with the initial proposed corpus of 40,000 crore rupees. The Governments of India contribution to the alternative investment funds under this scheme shall be 49% of the total commitment. Also, NIIF has a mandate to solicit equity participation from its strategic anchor partners like overseas sovereign or quasi-sovereign and multilateral or bilateral investors. The NIIF is being operationalized by establishing three alternative investment funds under the SEBI regulations. They are Master Fund, Fund of Funds and Strategic Investment Fund. Coming to the Master Fund, it is an infrastructure fund with the objective of primarily investing in operating assets in core infrastructure sectors such as roads, ports, airports, power, etc. Next, Fund of Funds. It is managed by fund managers who have good track records in infrastructure and associated sectors. Some of the sectors of focus include green infrastructure, mid-income and affordable housing, and allied sectors. And the last is Strategic Investment Fund. It is registered as Alternative Investment Fund 2 under SEBI in India. The objective is to invest largely in equity and equity-linked instruments. It will focus on greenfield and brownfield investments in the core infrastructure projects. Now, let us discuss a previous year question based on this. With reference to National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, which of the following statements is or are correct? First is, it is an organ of Niti Aayog. This statement is false because it is a sovereign wealth fund and not an organ of Niti Aayog. Statement number 2. It has a corpus of 4 lakh crore at present. This is also false because the initial proposed corpus is 40,000 crore, not 4 lakh crore. So the answer is D, neither one nor two. Thank you.